Hi there, and I'm gonna show you how to make a Galaxy flip phone, okay? So all you'll need is a piece of paper, which is right here, and 2 pieces of this soft, and some scissors, and a pen, and a tape. And the last materials of all, some crayons, okay? So first of all, that I glued this, you can glue it. And after you done that, use a piece of paper. You may wanna remove your materials before you take the paper. If the table was too short, and this table is so short that I'm making with, and so here it is. I'm gonna use a pen to measure, and remember, always click the subscribe button, okay? So if you always wanted a Galaxy flip phone, yeah, you can always get my channel. And I tried to make one, and I tried to make a regular phone that I actually forgot it to say. Don't forget to subscribe, and that was a mistake, actually. So yeah, I was worrying about that. And now this is my first time making a video. Of course, you will see the same age, and then you may want to cut it, okay? And if you already cut it, and if you're in fast forward, that's good, okay? So you can move the video a little, okay? So you could finish it on time and see. And if you don't know how, I can tell you. So if you cut this, then you just need a bit of tape and cut the size that you made. Okay, and actually tape it to this, okay, that you have. And if you don't have this, always ask your parents to buy this so you can watch it, okay? And then you can always search my name, which is Ghaffari, and you can search Ghaffari's make videos that I always love phones and I never could have one, and yeah, so and sorry it took a while to do, and sometimes if you can't cut really well, ask me going up, or you can keep on trying, okay? That's the thing you need to do, okay? Like gratitude. And if it's a big piece, remember, you can whip it, or you can use scissors, okay? Always remember, okay? And use a scotch tape. That will make it stick everything better than the other tapes. The other tapes doesn't work really well. I tried that before, and the other tapes didn't work well. So now that's why I'm using scotch tapes, okay? And if you have scotch tape, yeah, that's fine. And if you are actually using a different kind of tape, that would be fine. Completely fine, okay? So, if you are like so fast than me, you can move your fingers. And remember what I said. If you don't know how, I can tell you what is next. After you glue in the paper, remember, always use this. Actually always do this if you don't, okay? Bend it, okay? Bend. Like this. Bend it like this. And then once you open it, you will have something like this. And then you will see it's like an crocodile mouth. Okay? So it needs a lot of taping, like 8 tapes, okay? So yeah. If you have already done those, you can move on. Okay? So the last part is coloring. Okay? So if you are actually coloring it now, yeah, that's fine. If you don't actually know how to color, always ask a parent to draw what kind of things. Okay? And remember, if you're bad at cutting stuff, always ask a parent with that. And remember, if you're using hot glue, always tell parent. Okay? And if all of your things is falling out of their place, remember you can do this, okay? You can always do this. Okay, on the back. And mine is not going well. It's just keep on falling apart. The tape. I'm like getting so annoyed. Okay. And now it's not coming off. You can move on to the next. So here's the last part. Crayons. I'm gonna use some crayons to do this. And if you have your favorite color of the crayon, remember you can always use that, okay? So again, fold it again. And you will have something like this. A crocodile mouth. And then plan everything. And remember, if you need some more tape, you can use it. If it's like getting so annoyed. And mine is getting so annoyed. And also like if it's like, you can always do this, like cut it if it's not the same size again. and you'll see it's like gonna have something like this, like a Nintendo Switch. And remember, instead of a Galaxy flip phone, you can always switch it into a Nintendo Switch, like coloring this red and blue on the sides. Okay, I would rather do a Galaxy flip phone, or you could do the things you want to. You can either choose one, the Nintendo, or your Galaxy flip phone. If you bend it already, then you have nothing to do if you want to make a Nintendo, okay? That means you will need to make a Galaxy flip phone, okay? So, if you are, you can always, using going up to do, okay? Here it is. I've bended mine. And now, let me draw the screen. Remember, it might not go out well, okay? And if you're great at drawing, you can draw. But if you want to use some markers, you also can. And so if you bended it and drew a screen and then you change your mind, there's nothing to do. Okay? And remember, you can also switch the paper. Okay? And you can also like draw this. And so yeah, the main one, you see? Okay, now.